Let matrix B be equal to the 2 by 2 matrix 1, negative 1, 2, 1. Matrix C equaling the 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, negative 1, 3. Carry out the indicated operation. Matrix B times matrix C minus 3 times matrix B. So let's begin by rewriting this, matrix B times matrix C. So we would have 1, negative 1, 2, 1, times matrix C, 1, 2, negative 1, 3, minus 3 times matrix B. 1, negative 1, 2, 1. So here we have to perform multiplication of a 2 by 2 matrix times a 2 by 2 matrix. And here we perform scalar multiplication. I've written that here to give us enough room to perform this. So we will write that this is going to be equal to, I'm going to take this row times this column, so 1 times 1 plus negative 1 times negative 1. So 1 times 1 plus negative 1 times negative 1. Then I take this row times this column, so 1 times 2 plus negative 1 times 3. Now I take this row times this column, 2 times 1 plus 1 times negative 1. This row times this column, 2 times 2 plus 1 times 3. Minus. We now multiply each element of this matrix by 3. So 3 times 1, 3 times negative 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 1. Let's simplify each of these positions. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 2 plus a negative 3 is negative 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 2 plus a negative 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus, evaluating each of these, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Now we have to subtract. 2 minus 3. Negative 1 minus a negative 3. One minus 6. 7 minus 3. And so we have 2 minus 3, negative 1. Negative 1 minus a negative 3 is the same as negative 1 plus 3, so that's 2. 1 minus 6, negative 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. And so our result is a 2 by 2 matrix, negative 1, 2, negative 5, 4.